This is Andy, but fact number one, I've been told I sound like Britney Spears.
1, 2, 3, not only you and me, got 180 degrees and I'm caught in between counting.
This is not a good thing.
Warm me up beneath the sea.
Okay. Guess what I got? Guess what? Guess. Yes. This is an L.
I said, hey, what's going on?
I got Lady Gaga tickets. Look at this. Do you know what this is? You know. You don't. You don't. You can't even imagine. Lady Gaga tickets. Well, it's the receipt anyway. I have like 2 of them. One's for me, and the other one is for this lesbian. Her name is Maddie.
Tell me how can you sleep?
Lady freaking Gaga. I'm reading Harry Potter.
Rock that snagger off your fucking face.
I'll read you the first sentence in a British accent. Okay. Not for the first time. I'm not gonna do this. Never mind. This is gay. Gay is not a synonym for shitty. Fuck you.
You's a hoe, just a hoe. You's a hoe. I said that you's a hoe. You's a hoe.